talk about something that's making the children in my book club very interested in history and general knowledge. So here it is, 3 book series that my children are really enjoying. Children as old as 11-year-old and as young as 6 years old. 6-year-old one can do guided reading with older people, and all these series are being enjoyed by the older children definitely. The first series that I'm going to share with you is the Magic Makers series. It's written by Mamta Naini and published by Penguin Books. Recommended for 6 years and up, and it's got beautiful illustrations inside that will also be loved by older children. This talks about artists and creators behind India's cultural wonders. The second series that I'm going to talk about is the Dreamer series. It's been illustrated and written by Lavanya Bharti, about a famous personality's childhood. The recommended age on these books is 6+. What is special about the series is that these have beautiful illustrations that are either based on the region that the personality is from, or from the period they are from, or from their interest. For example, a book on Nekchand has illustrations inspired by Nekchand sculptures and architecture of Chandigarh. Mahashweta Devi's book is illustrated on the basis of the sketches and prints to voice the suffering in the Bengal famine about which she had written. P.C. Sarkar's book has been illustrated based on the Kaligarh School of Painting in Bengal, where Sarkar lived. These are only 3 examples of the entire series, but have been loved, loved and loved. Children in fact wait for the next book to come just to see the style of illustration that Lavanya is going to use. The third and final series that I'm going to talk about is the Songs of Freedom series, which is recommended for 10+. So this will not be enjoyed by younger children because 1, this does not have illustrations, and 2, they are longish. These stories look at the lives of children during the independence struggle. So children of the same age will relate to the books more. So these are not just books for entertainment, but they also connect to the school curriculum. Leave a comment in case you want to know details about any particular series. Follow our page so that you can get more tips like this.